Good morning, students. This is my second lecture on the topic changing trend and career in physical education. Today we will cover career option in physical educations. As we know that you all are studying and taken optional subjects in class 11th and 12th physical education. What are the opportunity and what are the courses available in the field of physical education after class 12th and where we get the opportunity to serve. Now, there are two options in physical educations after class 12 or after graduation or at completing the courses. Two types of jobs are available or opportunities are available. One is in teaching sector and second one is performing sectors. Teaching sector is also known as the traditional career in physical education. The careers available in this field is first one is in teaching sector, second one in training sector or coaching, third one is health fitness related sector, fourth one is performance related sector, and fifth one is media sector. In teaching sectors you can get opportunity at primary level school, middle level, secondary and senior secondary levels of school, colleges, universities, and other teaching and professional institutes. In training sector is also known as the coaching sector. The options are in school, colleges, or universities, in various sports institutes, industrial recreations, sports facility managements, and administrations. In health and fitness related sectors are related to sports fitness, trainer medicine, sports dietitians, sports psychologist, sports nutritionist, in gym as an athletics trainer. Different health clubs are running in the cities. You can get opportunity in health and fitness industries also. In performance related sectors as a professional players, sports planning officer, sports management, a recreational sports management officer, performance related officers, and in media sector, sports journalism, book author, sports photography, sports broadcasting, sports advertising like sports equipments, marketing, etc., and sports industries. If we want to make a career in all these fields, there are several institutes that are providing education and training to serve these all institutes. If you choose your career as a teacher, when you become a teacher in a primary level school, middle school, or senior secondary level school as a physical education teacher, for choosing this as a career, one must well qualified with certified degree or diploma in physical education from a recognized universities. If you want to become a teacher, you have to pass out or you have some qualifications like a degree courses and post degree courses. I will tell later where you get all these degrees. As a coach, if you want to serve as a trainer or as a coach, you have a certificate diploma from NIS. NIS means National Institute of Sports. The full name of NIS is Netaji Subhash National Institutes of Sports. It is situated in Patiala, Punjab, and it was established in 1961. The main purpose of this institute is to prepare a well qualified trainer or coaches for different games and sports. As a specialist or official of the games, if you want to become as a specialist or official of the games, a good player can easily become a specialist of or official of the game. How? When he or she is finished his active sports life, means after retirement of the sports, we have seen the many sports persons are become the commentator, as umpire, as a specialist in that particular game. So this career is also available. You become as a yoga instructor. For that, you will get some degree or diploma from the different institutes. In media sector, you can become a sports reporter, photographer, book writers. As a dietitian or physiotherapist, there is also opportunity. The knowledge of physical education provide good experience of sports injuries and their treatment. The person, those who have got a diploma or degree in physical education or sports training, he must be know the anatomy or physiology of the human being. And he can become a good physiotherapist and get an opportunity in these fields. As a biomechanics means talented and good researchers or physical educations help developing new scientific tools with help the human race. Biomechanics is a subdiscipline of physical educations. Through biomechanics, we rectify the motion of the players and what are the effect of science on training, क्योंकि इस नए वर्ल्ड में ये कहा जाता है कि इफ़ यू आर नॉट टेकिंग अ साइंटिफिक ट्रेनिंग यू आर जस्ट लाइक अ कैप्टन इन द शिप विदाउट रडार एंड कंपास. अगर आप साइंटिफिक ट्रेनिंग नहीं ले रहे हैं तो आप अंधेरे में हैं. और इसमें बायोमैकेनिक्स जो है वो आपकी बहुत हेल्प करती है, क्योंकि विदाउट साइंस जो साइंस के लॉज हैं ये हमारे गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स में इम्प्लीमेंट होते रहते हैं. यू कैन बिकम ए एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर ऑफिसर in any organizations, like many companies are working, they are having their welfare departments. You become a welfare officer there and organize many games and sports for their employees in a private companies or limited companies or semi-government companies. They prefer a sportsmen. Many players are chosen for the professions like in railways, airways, police, defense, banking, electricity board. Then the training institute where we get the training. There are various institutes which are run by the government or public private sector promoting academic and skill qualification in physical education. For adopting physical education as a profession, one needs the qualification to serve in any institutes or any school as a teacher, as a trainer. Then the courses such as BPEd is called a Bachelor of Physical Education, 4 years graduations or 1 year's post graduation diploma like MPE, Master of Physical Educations, 2 years post graduation MSS, Master in Sports Science from NIS Diploma, National Institutes of Diploma. Diploma we are getting in one particular games or sports. And the degrees, if you get a, you have done a BPed or MPed, then you get a job in the middle schools, secondary school, senior secondary school, universities, or other professional institutes. But if you have done a diploma, then you become a master of one particular game and you become a coach or trainer. There are various institutes of physical education in our country. They are providing such types of education, and the famous some institutes are LNIPE, Lakshmibai National Institutes of Physical Education. It's also become a deemed university, and it's situated in Gwalior. It, it is the premium institutes of physical education. Now the second one, NSNIS, Netaji Subhas National Institutes of Sports at Patiala, and its some branches are in the Kolkata, Bangalore, and Gandhinagar. Chandrasekhar Agassiz College of Physical Education at Pune, LNCPE Lakshmibai National College of Physical Education at Tiruvananthapuram, and NERC LNIP Northeast Region. LNIP, the main branch is, the head office is in Gwalior, but two more branches are running in our country. That is, one is situated in Trivandrum and second one is Guwahati. MT School of Physical Education and Sports Science at Noida, Bombay Physical Culture Association's College of Physical Education of Mumbai. Many institutes that are running the physical education program in different part of our country. Many government colleges of physical education like Patiala, Hyderabad, Jodhpur, CP Degree College of Physical Education branch, BRM Medical Physical Education College, Muzaffarnagar. Many colleges in our Gorakhpur University also providing a BPed and MPed degree. And various universities have physical education department to provide courses in physical education, such as PU Chandigarh, Guru Nanak Dev University Amritsar, Kurukshetra University, Himachal University Shimla, Delhi University, Aligarh University. Means today maximum universities are providing these such types of facilities. And after this, the more institutes are there, those who are providing courses and education in physical educations. So if you want to choose a career through physical educations, you have a opportunity and serve a nation in good. Thank you very much.